On this video today, I'm going to show you a high quality free traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step in affiliate marketing is to join a platform. You need to join a platform where you can get products to promote. There are many platforms that you can join. You can join Teespring, you can join ClickBank, you can join JVZoo, you can join any platform that you like. Now once you join the platform, you have to find a product to promote. In this case, I'm going to be using ClickBank, although I also promote products on Teespring. So on ClickBank, what you have to do is that you have to come on the marketplace. As you can see, I am on the marketplace. Once you're on the marketplace, the next step is that you have to select a product based on any of these categories. You can see there are many categories of products that you can promote. You can promote a product on health and fitness, e-business and e-marketing, spirituality, new age, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products, business, investing. Any of those categories that you want, you can click on it and then find a product to promote. I'm going to be using health and fitness to demonstrate for you to see. So let's click on health and fitness. Once you click on health and fitness, you're going to see a page like this. You can see all these products are health and fitness related products. You can see this one is a weight loss product. When you scroll further, there are many of them that you can promote to make money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote the most trending product, the product that we can easily get a sale. So what you need to do is that you have to come right here so that you can sort the products. So just click on it. Once you click on it, we need a product that have high gravity. So we are going to come right here. You can see gravity, high to low. We want the product with the highest gravity so that we can get people to purchase the product. You can also select conversion rate. You have to select high to low, but in this case I'm going to use gravity. So click on it. Once you click on it, you can see this product has the highest gravity. The gravity score is the number of people who got sales with the product in the last 2 weeks, meaning this product right here, you can see more than 600 people got sales in the last 2 weeks. When you scroll down, there are many of them. You can see this one, over 200 people got sales. When you scroll down, you can see this one, over 162 people got sales promoting this product. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the first one. You can also select any of them that you want. Since people are making sales with them, you can select any product that you want. If you select the product with the highest gravity, there are consequences. The bad aspect is that you are going to be competing with a lot of people. In a good side is that the product is of good quality. You are going to be getting people to purchase it for you to make money. When you also select a product with a low gravity, you might not get a lot of people to buy it, and the good side is that you are not competing with a lot of people, so you are going to have a larger audience. That is the two consequences that you must consider when you are selecting a product. Now we are going to take the risk and then promote the product with the highest gravity. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to first of all check the product landing page. So click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, you can see more details about this product. You can see a whole lot of details about this product. You can see everything. You can see everything. These are the details of the product. So if you are new to the product, you can read it, or you can click right here.
In today's fast-paced world, achieving and maintaining.
Once you click on the video, you are going to get a tutorial about how the product works. Once you get to know how the product works, you can use that message to promote the product. In this case, I have promoted it before, so I'm not going to play the video again. But if you are new, you can play the video or you can read the text so that you can understand what the product is about before you craft your marketing message that you can use to convince people to purchase the product. Now once you have seen the landing page of the product, the next step is that you have to get your affiliate link. So click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you have to enter your nickname right here, which is the name that you used to register for the ClickBank accounts. Once you select your name, click on continue. Once you click on continue, you can get your affiliate link. You can see right here, this is my affiliate link. You can see it right here. So this is the link that you have to promote to people so that they can click on it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So now what we are going to do is that we have to use a traffic source. A traffic source is simply a platform where you can get people to click on the link of the product that you're promoting. There are many platforms where you can get traffic for free, but Pinterest is one of the best traffic sources because it is free, and the best part is that Pinterest is available worldwide. So you are going to be getting access to a large audience, and once you promote your product well on this platform, you can get many sales because the traffic is huge and it is free. All that you need to do is that you have to create your designs and then upload them on Pinterest. Once you upload them, you can promote your affiliate link under the pin that you have designed. So what you need to do is that you have to sign up for a Pinterest account. If you don't have one, you can just click right here, sign up, so that you can sign up for a Pinterest account. If you already have one, you have to tailor it towards the kind of products that you are promoting. If you are promoting weight loss products, the kind of things that you post in your account should be about weight loss. You don't have to talk about animals and then promote a weight loss product. That is not good, and you are likely not to get any sales. So create an account based on a specific niche. Once you create your account based on a specific niche, you can go on ClickBank and then select products based on that niche, or you can go on Store for any platform that you select. Do not promote a weight loss product today, the following day you promote e-marketing and e-business product, another day you promote home and garden. That is not acceptable. You need to build an audience based on a specific niche and then promote products based on that niche so that you can get the right people to purchase the product for you to make money. Now once you have signed up for your accounts and then get your niche, the next step is that you have to begin posting. On Pinterest, you have to create a pin and then post it right here. So what you need to do is that you have to come on Canva and then create a pin. It is easy to create one. You can see I've just created one. I've done a lot of tutorials about how to create a pin, so there's no need for me to walk you through how I created this pin. You don't need to create one pin. You can create several of them. You can create a lot of them. Just click on add page, create as many as you want so that you can be posting them on Pinterest. Now once you have your pin, the next step is that you have to click right here, share. Once you click on share, click on download. Once you click on download again. Now the pin is going to be downloaded onto your device. Once you have downloaded your pin, the next step is that you have to come on Pinterest. You already have an account, so now what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on these three dotted lines, the next step is that you have to navigate to create content. Once you are on create content, select create pin. Once you click on create pin, now what you have to do is that you have to upload the pin that you downloaded. Select it, just click right here, select the pin. Once you select the pin, you can see it right here. You can see this is the pin. Now you have to add the details of your pin. So what you need to do is that you have to enter a title right here. You can use ChatGPT to write the title and then the description. As you can see, I've used ChatGPT to generate a title for me. You can see this is the title. So just highlight and copy your title. Once you highlight and copy your title, come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, paste your description here. So come back on ChatGPT and then ask it to write a description for you. I've already done that. So all that I need to do is that I have to just copy the description of your pin, come back on Pinterest and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see it is more than the required number, so just delete any part that you want, just delete them. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, the next important aspect is the link. This is the most important aspect because if you don't have a link here, it does not matter the number of pins that you post, you are not going to make any money. So you have to always remember to add your affiliate link right here. So now what you have to do is that you have to search for tiny URL. Search for tiny URL. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. Once you click on it, the website is going to open. So come back on ClickBank and then click right here, copy link. Once you click on it, your affiliate link has been copied. Now come back on tiny URL and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, just wait for this to verify before you can shorten your URL. You want to shorten it so that it will be accepted on Pinterest. As you can see, it has finished the verification. Now click on shorten URL. Once you click on it, your URL has been shortened. Click on copy so that you can copy your URL. Once you copy the URL, the next step is that you have to come right here and then paste it. As you can see, that has been done. Now once that is done, you have to select a board. On Pinterest, you need to create a board so that you can group your content. It's simply categories. You need to create categories, and on Pinterest we call it board. So you need to select a board that you want to post your pin. So just click on it, the board. If you have already done so, just click on it and then select the board that you want. And this is just my tutorial account, so I'm just going to select fitness. This is my tutorial account. So now once that is done, you can see the tags. You have to enter them right here. Now come back on ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, you can copy the hashtags. You can see hashtags right here. Just copy them and then paste them right here. Copy and paste them right here. As you can see, that has been done. Just copy all of them and then paste them right here. Now once you have entered the hashtags, the next step is that you have to post your pin so that you can get people attention to click on your affiliate link and then make a purchase for you to earn a commission. So what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you can see your pin has been published. You can see it right here. If you click on view, you can see your pin. So now what you have to do is that you have to keep on creating different pins so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. Do not create one pin and expect results. Keep on creating many pins. Pinterest, you need to build an audience. Don't just think of the results today and now. Think of how you can build an audience so that in the future you can be making up to $1,000 per day, $2,000 per day, $500 per day, or $10,000 per week. Think of the long-term benefit and then build an audience. Do not say you need to post today and then make the money today. Think of your future financial freedom and then build a Pinterest audience so that you can be making money from home for free without investing anything. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.